Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn to log in on LinkedIn. So let's get started. First of all, you have to go on Google and here you have to search for LinkedIn. Go to on official website of LinkedIn and here you will see this type of window. Write your email address or phone number over here and then type your password over here, then click on sign in. And the other way is sign in with Google. Click on sign in with Google and wait for a moment. In just few seconds your account will be logged in. So guys, this is how to log in or sign in on LinkedIn. Hope this video will be helpful for you to log in your account on LinkedIn. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.